Hello everyone, welcome to Jugalbandi Learning Studio. Our semi-classical or light classical vocal course will train you the basics of classical music but in a simplified style, making it more accessible and easy to learn. This course includes training sessions on Sufi, Thumri, Qawwali and Ghazals, including the techniques and practice tools which makes the most of semi-classical singing. At Jugalbandi Learning Studio, we have a step-by-step learning process which is very easy and fun to learn as well. So join us to explore more about music and experience the change within you. To join us, give us a call at 9811 502 348 or visit our website www.jugalbandistudio.com.